So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, guys and ladies. We are back with another one. Guys, today, this is a very special one to me that we're going to be doing. I had been on a live feed with do it yourself fermentation with Mr. Charles and Miss Nono, and we got to the point where they was trying out a coconut wine that Mr. Charles had made, and the faces that they made was priceless, guys. I mean, you would have to go over to the channel and check it out for yourself to see how enjoyable it was. The live stream lasted about 2 hours, but we really enjoyed ourselves. Like I said, I got a chance to actually talk to them through the chat and got to meet other subscribers, and it was really fun. I had told them up in the live stream that I had better success with my coconut wine, and I wanted to do one for them. So this is not going to be my original coconut wine that I had done a few years back. This is going to be one with a little twist, and you guys know I always love to be unique. Theirs was actually, well, Mr. Charles one was actually a spiced coconut wine that he used only coconut water, I believe. He didn't use any shredded coconut. The flavor of coconut water, I would say, is an acquired taste. Depends on, you know, who drinking it. I tried it. I really don't actually care for coconut. All right, guys, so obviously we fast forwarded. The last coconut wine that I made from the previous clip, video, whatever you want to say, I don't know what went wrong, but I kind of had that feeling in that face that they was making, Mr. Charles was making when he tasted his coconut wine. So as you see in front of us, this recipe has changed up, and I am doing my normal process. Like I said, I don't know what went wrong. I actually started this one, and it's been a minute since I made the original one, but we're going to use this recipe instead. So by me switching it up, I don't have the bucket anymore. I'm doing my normal boil for this one. So
I'll be taking the shredded coconut and putting it up in a pot to boil to get the coconut flavor in it. Also, instead of the little 4 ounces or whatever it was of the lime juice that we had up in that video, guys, I'm going with 3 pounds of fresh limes. And what we're gonna do with this is get our juicer and squeeze the juice out this. I'm guessing I should get anywhere from 16 to 21 ounces of actual juice, which I want because I still want it to have an actual lime flavor. Also, I am going with more sugar, white sugar, and this time I am adding brown sugar. This is, well, first of all, this is 2 pounds of white sugar, and this is half a pound or 8 ounces of brown sugar. And we are using the Mexican sugar, Piloncillo, I believe. Yeah, Piloncillo sugar. I hope I'm saying that right. Don't mean to butcher anything. Tannin for the Earl Grey tea, black tea. Obviously, that's going to serve the purpose for the acid. And we're going with the EC 1118 for this one. I don't remember what yeast I used. I think it was the D47. I didn't quite get the ABV that I wanted, guys. That's kind of why I am going with another version of this recipe, because I didn't get quite what I wanted in the ABV. I think when everything was said and done, when I diluted it, the kind of back sweetening and stuff like that, it ended up being like 8 ABV. Initially started at 9. It was sweet. It was, no, I wouldn't even describe it as sweet. It was kind of like, it had a sweet residual flavor, but it was kind of milky, like I guess coconut milk. The viscosity on it was really thick. Kind of reminds you of a certain wine that you tried to make, Mr. Charles, the Tapache. Yeah, but like I said, I don't know what happened, but we are going with this recipe. Like I said, usual equipment that we're using. Obviously, I'll be using my pots in the back, strainer and all that good stuff. My pitcher is to the side. But like I said, we're going to cover those steps. Not trying to be long, guys. And we're going to get right into this process. Hopefully, when everything is said and done, we will have a coconut lime mojito. I don't have the mint right now, guys, because I'm not putting the mint in primary. I'm going to put the mint in secondary. I recommend you guys do that too. I'm probably going to use 2 ounces, and that's what I'm going to put up in the recipe. 2 ounces of mint leaves. You can actually get them from Walmart or any local place, garden center or whatever, I guess, that sell mint leaves, but I got mine from Walmart. But yeah, but anyway, like I said, enough with the jabbering. We gonna get on with this video, so let's get it started.